Hello, and good morning. So this message is going to be for the collective energy today. I will be using a Truth Oracle deck. Let's see what the message is for the collective. What energy are you meant to work with throughout the day today? What is the energy? We are getting Enchanter's Spell. Use visualization techniques, picture your goals vividly, and feel the emotions associated with achieving them to manifest your desires. So some of you might be resonating with the image and the message on that card. So what I'm getting from Spirit right now is that you have all of the power. You have all of the power to make your dreams a reality. And how you do that is by living in the vibration of that now. So bring that vibration to you. When you're thinking about all of the things that you want, think of them as though you already have them, that they're already there. Because law of attraction says that if you're already feeling it, then it has to happen. All right, guys, keep manifesting. Have a great day.